Today we are going to calculate the volume of a special solid, the volume of a sphere. A sphere is a solid where all points have the same distance from point O, which is called the center of the sphere. The radius r is a line from the center to any point on the sphere. The diameter d is the line across the sphere going through point O. To make it short, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Let me show you how to find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 2 centimeters. The volume is 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Two cubed is 8 times 4 is 32. So we get 32 times pi over 3 cubic centimeters, which is approximately 33.5 cubic centimeters. Let's look at another example and say the diameter of a sphere is 10 inches. When the diameter is given, the first step is to find the radius of the sphere, which is pretty simple. Just divide the diameter by 2, which is 10 in this example, so 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then plug in the radius, which is 5, into the formula for the volume of the sphere. Five cubed is 125, and 125 times 4 is 500. So we get 500 pi over 3 cubic inches. You can find the approximate volume by using the pi key on your calculator. The approximate volume is 523.6 cubic inches, rounded to the nearest tenth. Let's say the volume of a sphere is 20 cubic feet. How can we find the radius? After plugging in the volume, we have to isolate the radius. So after dividing by 4/3 and pi on both sides, we get 20 times 3 over 4 pi equals r cubed. Recall that dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal. How can we get rid of the 3 here? We are going to take the cube root from both sides. So we get r equals the third root of 15 over pi. So the exact radius of this sphere is the third root of 15 over pi feet. Or we can say the radius is approximately 1.7 feet. Rounded to the nearest tenth. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. This video is what I did for you. If you want to do something for me, hit the bell button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning everyone.